morning. We are just checked out of our hotel. Say goodbye to Green Place and hello to Santo Domingo. We were headed on our way out to Santo Domingo, but we stopped here to get something to eat, a quick breakfast. So this might as well have been my Dominican Republic food tour because we stop every 5 minutes to eat. This place is called Lydias. It is in Moca, and it's a cute little place. You might never stop here because it does look like a little garage.
Big.
Pretty good food, and it's super duper inexpensive. I'm talking about like $2 for like a sandwich and a milkshake. So like I was saying, the milkshake that Junior really loves is called MAMEY. It's a fruit that they don't really have in Michigan. It's a tropical fruit. It's like super duper red on the inside and it's really yummy. I just got chinola because we don't have that in Michigan either. Anything that's fresh pressed juice or coconut water, like I'm all on it all the time. Driving is really interesting. Johan actually drives like he's in the United States, but just got plopped into like Dominican Republic, so he's like super cautious and safe. Yeah, he's Dominican, but he's super cautious and safe, and he'll like stop for the motorcycles, and he's like, he doesn't like to go around them, and people here are just like,
there is no rule for driving.
Yeah, there are no rules for driving, so you're not gonna get stopped for going 80 miles per hour in a like residential zone.
So you have to.
I'm a scared driver. Can you say that for the camera?
I'm scared of driving here. I'm Dominican and it's tough. I don't know.
Mary feels super comfortable because she drove in.
I feel like I can drive anywhere. I drove in Santorini on like the ledge of hills. It was like super tiny in my little 1-inch square foot car.
It's like smaller than that.
It was super duper tiny, and I feel like if I drove there, I could drive anywhere. So. Have not booked our hotel in Santo Domingo yet, so I'm on my phone scrolling through to see what the options are. Boca Chica is where that really beautiful restaurant on the water was. That's a little bit closer to the airport, so I'm kind of debating whether we should stay in downtown Santo Domingo or Boca Chica. Let me show you guys what the prices are. That was 400 pesos for, I mean, I got toast and butter, he got a sandwich, and a smoothie. Johan got a smoothie. Little hole-in-the-wall places, I guess, are key to, I don't know, finding really good food and not spending so much money. I haven't been able to find a hotel yet because the Santo Domingo is not loading. My signal is super bad. So we're just gonna head into town to the hotel we think we're staying at, and maybe we'll just ask at the front desk, or Expedia is not loading. We just ask the front desk and see what we can find. So we have arrived at the hotel that I chose on a whim. This area is a little busy here. There's definitely some construction. We're trying, it said free parking, so let's see where that actually is. It's probably just like fend for yourself.
They basically like.
And we're in our little hotel. It's super cute. I'll show you guys the room. Definitely the bathroom looks like it's had a little bit of a renovation, but the rest of the room, I mean, it's pretty intact. It's pretty cute. Ah! So this is our balcony for our room. Honestly, it's it's a little bit noisy because a lot of stuff is in construction and there's so much traffic downstairs. But it's really cute, super authentic. This building has been here since the 1930s. This is like the third time I've said that because I really can't believe it. It definitely has that really authentic feel to it. So if you want to be at the center of everything, the Colon Plaza is right down there. It's 2 blocks away. We're gonna walk down there. It's a super beautiful area with Spanish architecture. A lot of people go and visit that area, and we're pretty centralized, so this is a great option. This hotel was like $55. I'm gonna link below the name of the hotel. So we're gonna head out. We're walking over to Zonal Colonial.
We're walking over.
We're starving. We're just gonna walk around and see if there's anything over here that we can eat really quick, and then go have kipe.
Quipes. Yeah,
Quipes.
quipes. We're gonna go. It's
Is kipe Arabic?
in the other side.
Yeah, I
of
think
the
it is.
city.
Mhm.
Wait, is kipe Arabic?
Quipe.
Yo,
Yeah, it's like an Arabic dish, but now like we have a Dominican way to do it.
It's like a little fried. It's like I think it's chickpea. It's
Like
almost like a falafel stuffed with meat or veggies.
Yeah, or different. One thing people don't take notice, this camera is heavy. And people that vlog,
I know.
holy crap, your arms must be super fit. I'm gonna have to keep changing arms left and right, left and right.
If you guys need a tour guide, he's actually an engineer, but he also doubles as a tour guide. If you're in DR and Joanne's in DR,
Yeah, just
he'll show you
call me.
around.
Just put my number under the video.
So we were here last time.
I was here last time with my friend Catherine,
So if you
who was
guys,
doing Peace Corps here.
and Poppy. So if you guys seen the last Dominican Republic, that's more like a
It's like a GoPro footage music.
all just together. This is gonna be more like a vlog. This is the ZONA Colonial. You guys get a little bit of view on it. Pretty nice buildings. Really what you think about. I think when you come to the Dominican Republic, you think about beaches and buildings that look just like this. We're gonna go try and find something to eat right now, because I guess like Mary said, we're always starving.
So we didn't find anything to eat. There's plenty of places, but Junior has a certain place in mind. It's called ADRIAN. It's in El Malecón, right next to the ocean in Santo Domingo. So a little time has passed, so traffic should be a little bit better. We're gonna head on over there. It's got a cute view. And Joanne's girlfriend's gonna meet up with us in a little bit, which should be really nice. Also, our hotel is super central to everything. I said that earlier, but I hadn't really walked the area. It's in Zonal Colonial, it's in the old town, but it really is literally a block from the plaza where we shot some footage. Super absolutely gorgeous. This is our hotel right here.